Welcome to 948 Wateree Boulevard. This nicely updated 4-bedroom, 2-bath home, the covered front porch, rear deck, and beautiful laminate hardwood flooring in the main living area inside. It's located in Camden, just off of West Dekalb Street, convenient to I-20, and just a quick commute to Northeast Columbia. So we're out in front of the house now. You can see there's a nice sized front yard. You can't see it from here, but on the other side of the hedges here you have a garage, single car wide garage, driveway, not garage, but driveway that leads up on the right side. You sort of see the end of it there, and as it leads up to the covered front porch here. So the home has been nicely updated throughout inside. So that includes the kitchen, all flooring, a lot of lighting as well. So you can see here, when we enter the living room, you have a huge sort of open floor plan living space that's open to the kitchen and dining as well. Couple windows here looking out towards the front over the porch. You have recessed lighting kind of throughout the main living area here. So you can kind of arrange your furniture however you would like. Have a table in the middle or over in this area somewhere else. We also do have large open kitchen as well, white cabinets. There's a stainless steel electric stove there, as well as a side-by-side refrigerator with a bottom drawer freezer. You have 2 windows in the kitchen, one on the right side there, and then one overlooking the deck and backyard. And then just have a closet there, sort of in that corner. You have your laundry room here, full-size washer and dryer connections. There's a shelf above, and then also where the water heater is. That's the master, and we'll take a look at that in just a second, but first we'll take a quick look out back. So at the back of the home you have a wood deck, sort of 2-tiered. First level here and then a lower level on that side. And then not a fenced backyard, but it does sort of back up to a wooded buffer area for most of it there. And then back inside, right off of this area, you have your master bedroom. So you have a closet here, sort of sliding door on both sides, and basically the same on both sides if you move that door to the other side. But then you enter into the larger part of the room itself. 3 nice sized windows in here. You have a second closet there in the corner. And then you also have a full bathroom here as well. And you can see that sort of laminate hardwood flooring in there. Updated sink and vanity there. Shower and tub. Lighting and everything's been updated as well. So on the sort of other side of this main living area here, you have another small hallway, another closet there just for some extra storage. You have an attic pull down in the hallway above where I just passed through, and then updated bathroom number 2, also a full bathroom. So you completely updated tub and shower in that one as well. And then you have a second bedroom, sort of mirrors the master on the other side. Very similar layout with the windows, and then you have a closet on this wall. And you can see just the hanging space there, and there's a bit more space on the left side behind there with no hanging rack, but just some great vertical extra storage. Then on the opposite side of the home, we'll cross over. So opposite side of the living room, you come down a couple of steps here, about 2, and then you have 2 rooms off of this area with huge vaulted ceilings. You have beautiful laminate hardwoods in here as well. You can see vaulted ceilings, recessed lighting. This one looks out towards the front yard. So this basically is your 3rd bedroom. Could be used for another purpose as well, especially with the harder surface floors in here. Makes a great family room or den as well. And then you have, last but not least, sort of the similar room on the other side with the recessed lighting. This one is carpeted and has a walk-in closet on this side over here, but the same floors from across the hall as well. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, lovely updated home in Camden at 948 Wateree Boulevard. You can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com, or you can give us a call at 803-407-8522.